Hi guys, welcome to my first try on video. Today I'm going to be trying on stuff from Bryant. Go Bryant, go Bryant. So yeah, I've been looking at some stuff for back to school and I saw this cute shirt and these super skinny jeans. They have such a great variety. My partner pointed me to this great kind of cardigan, sleeveless cardigan. It's really good. You can basically put it over a dress or some jeans. So I see it just dropped that right over the stroller. Moms, you know how this is. And I saw these cute jeans also. They're green and they're army, so I thought, you know, animal print army or jungle, I don't know. I was like, yeah, I'll pick these up. I saw this beautiful dress as well. It's nice and floral and romantic. And of course, I saw another army fatigue with a little flower detail on it. These are back to these black jeans here. I had to pick some black jeans up. I'm no angel. So this is me in the fitting room. And I am lining up all of my stuff to try it on. Here are the black skinny jeans. They're very comfortable. These are in a size 20, and then I paired it up with that long sleeve plaid shirt. It's that new style that looks like the collar is kind of coming off of your shoulders, but if you notice, they put two straps to hold the shirt up, so I thought that that was pretty neat. So, and I like the way it fits. It's super comfortable. You can basically just throw it on with a pair of jeans when you're running late to school or to work or to go hang out. And yeah, most of my shirts always kind of lift up in the back like that. But yeah, it's super comfy. And this is me totally acting silly. But yeah, I think the shirt is in an 18-20. So as you can see, it has a lot of room around the waist and it's just a comfortable shirt. Now this is that long cardigan, like print, it's an animal print cardigan, and I paired it up with a white shirt, and those are the black jeans again. You'll basically see how versatile those black jeans are throughout the whole video. And this thing is super versatile. I absolutely love it. I used to wear it to work like almost every single day. I had it in a different color last season. And I just love it because you can pair it with, as you can see, basically anything. Now, again, these are the black jeans and you pair it with a shirt. This is a dress shirt and it has some floral detail on the sleeves. And again, I'll get a little better at showing you guys some of the details. And it has like flowers on it and you can tuck it in like so if you want to get a little snazzy, or you can tuck it all the way in. I'm just trying to show you how it might look if you tucked it in completely, or you can just take it all the way out and then just leave it like that. But it's nice and comfortable. This is the white shirt and the black pants again, but this time I'm pairing a blazer with it, and you just put on that blazer. I will say the blazer was a little tight around the arms, so I would go up one size on this blazer, and that was like a size 20. And these are what would have been the matching thing for the blazer, but instead I paired it up with this t-shirt that says, as you can see, lipstick, diamonds, and champagne. So that's it for my video. It's very short, no more than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to bring you some more of these hauls or these try-ons. So I cannot leave you guys without saying again, de-stress and be blessed, girl. Bye.